Welcome back, Tech Geeks. Today we're revealing 8 next-level gadgets solving big problems in the smartest ways. Imagine watching your favorite movie or gaming with a massive 180-inch display not in your living room, but right on your face. Meet the Sentinel XR gaming glasses, a wearable entertainment powerhouse designed to deliver cinema-like visuals anywhere you go. With a 52-degree field of view, dual 1080p resolution, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, everything from games to videos feels incredibly lifelike. It features a 1 millisecond response time, making it perfect for intense, fast-paced gameplay. The built-in stereo speakers give immersive sound without the need for headphones. Plus, it supports Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch, Xbox Cloud, and more with plug-and-play ease. Lightweight at under 80 grams, it also includes myopia correction, glare-blocking electrochromic lenses, and side fins. Whether you're on a plane, at home, or on the go, this is next-level portable entertainment. Say hello to SYUL, your all-in-one powerhouse that's built for life on the move. It's not just a power bank, it's a portable command center. With a massive 15,000 mAh battery, ultra-fast 45-watt Type-C charging, and a built-in solar panel, SYUL keeps your devices running even when you're deep off-grid. But that's just the start. Its 20-watt speaker delivers punchy bass and room-filling sound, making it perfect for workouts, outdoor adventures, or just setting the vibe. And with its adjustable stand, it's your portable lounge, charge your gear, play calming beats, or light up your tent with a 3-mode LED. Want more immersion? Pair 2 SYULs for true wireless stereo sound. Whether you're hiking, chilling, or camping under the stars, SYUL fuels your tech, your soundtrack, and your moment, no outlets needed. Ever wish your grill could clean itself? Meet the Grillbot, the world's first automatic barbecue grill cleaning robot. After a smoky, delicious cookout, just place this red, compact bot on the grates, press start, and let it take over. With 3 spinning nylon brushes, it scrubs away stubborn grease, grime, and burnt-on gunk, all without you lifting a finger. Built for convenience, it even features an LCD timer and a beeping alert when cleaning is done. This isn't just a cool tool, it's a time saver for barbecue lovers. Whether you're hosting a party or just grilling solo, you can finally spend more time with friends and less time scrubbing. It's the perfect gift for dads, grandpas, or anyone who lives for weekend barbecues. Say goodbye to messy cleanups, and hello to a spotless grill automatically. Ironing just got a futuristic upgrade. Meet Einsen, the world's first fully automated ironing machine that delivers professional results right at home. Powered by a next-gen thermodynamic system, smart chipsets, and multi-drive engines, Einsen transforms wrinkled fabrics into crisp, ready-to-wear pieces in under a minute. Its superheated dry steam penetrates deep into fabric layers, lifting stubborn creases while killing germs without leaving clothes damp. No buttons to avoid, no sleeves to flip. Einsen's patented 3D ironing system handles it all, from cuffs to collars. And with intelligent pressure control, it adapts in real time for every material. Whether you're ironing a shirt or refreshing your wardrobe, Einsen makes the process effortless. No boards, no burns, just results. This isn't just an iron, it's a machine that redefines fabric care. Old school feel meets next-gen firepower. This is the Titan II, a rugged smartphone built for the modern multitasker. Powered by Android 15, global 5G, and a redesigned QWERTY keyboard, it brings back tactile typing with a serious upgrade. Every key can trigger a shortcut, swipe to scroll, and yes, it glows in the dark. Backed by a 5050 mAh battery, dual SIM slots, and blazing fast 33-watt charging, it keeps going all day without slowing you down. Snap pro-level shots with the 50 megapixels rear, 8 megapixels telephoto, and 32 megapixels front cameras. Need connectivity? Titan II comes packed with Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared, and GPS. Unlock with a fingerprint or face scan, store everything on high-speed memory, and enjoy it all on a crisp 4.5-inch LCD display. From business to travel, this phone blends vintage form with modern function, and it doesn't miss. Say hello to the Universal Microscope lens, a powerful tool that transforms any smartphone into a high-definition microscope. Just clip it on, launch your camera, and dive into a world you've never seen before. From the textures on a leaf to the patterns on a circuit board, this lens reveals the invisible with stunning clarity. With 300x magnification, built-in ring lighting, and even a 365nm UV mode, it uncovers fluorescent details, counterfeit markers, and microstructures in real time. Plus, the CPL lens enhances reflective surfaces like gemstones and porcelain. Whether you're a science lover, creator, or just curious, no lab coat required. Explore, capture, and share microscopic wonders anytime, anywhere. It's portable, affordable, and built for discovery. The world just got a whole lot closer. Tired of bulky wallets, missing chargers, and no way to prop up your phone? Meet Atlas, the all-in-one smart wallet that charges, tracks, holds, and stands. With built-in 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charging, Atlas powers your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch, even while standing upright. No need to remove it. No need to compromise. Store up to 6 cards, cash or coins, and when you need more, snap on the Atlas Expand for room up to 14 cards. It even has Apple Find My built in, so losing your wallet is no longer a panic moment. Crafted with vegan leather, reinforced with aluminum, and slim enough to slip in your pocket, Atlas blends beauty with utility. Snap, stand, charge, track, all with one sleek tool. Whether you're working, traveling, or just living life, Atlas isn't just a wallet, it's your everyday smart companion. Break language barriers and stay powered up with this 2-in-1 smart translator and charger. Instantly translate 138 languages in real time, whether you're talking face-to-face, on a call, or texting inside apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger. It even reads signs and menus with smart OCR, just point and snap. Need captions for a meeting or lecture? It converts voice to text instantly. With auto voice switching, bilingual chats feel natural and fluent. But that's not all. It doubles as a fast 20-watt wired plus 15-watt MagSafe wireless charger, compatible with phones, earbuds, and tablets. Sleek, foldable, and perfect for travel. It's built for creators, business pros, and globetrotters. One device. Power plus communication. No boundaries. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these epic gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. All the gadgets featured in this video are linked below in the description. Check them out and support the tech you love.